Hello, welcome back. I have like weird dysmorphia today, like about my face. I think maybe I didn't do my makeup that well, or I'm like bloated or whatever. I don't know, or maybe it's my hair. Most probably my hair. But I am just feeling extremely. So that's why I decided to record, so that I don't like get conscious. I don't know, matlab, I just thought ki if I don't feel that confident, I should show the whole world. Today, right now, actually, my cab is on the way. I am going to play pickleball with my really good friend Sharanya. And this is my first time playing pickleball. Like, I'm not that athletic, I'm not good at any sports really, but I'm like okay-ish at table tennis. And I've been told pickleball is like a mix of tennis and table tennis and badminton. I don't know. I doubt I'm gonna be good at it though, because I'm physically very weak. Currently, I haven't worked out or anything, and I'm not eating that well either. Whatever. I will see you when I get there. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, okay, now we can. Oh, wait. Oh, let me take it off.
Ready? Ready?
Do my backwards.
Oh, good God.
All sunscreened up.
I was just gonna say the same line.
Yay! It's like moving in a very suspicious manner.
Come.
Okay. No, introduce what are we going to do?
Okay, so this is Medha's first time playing pickleball, and my third or second time.
And she is like a fucking athlete, and I am.
I used to play sports. अब मुझे नहीं आता है. मुझे देख के समझ आ जाएगा.
I think. God is fuck.
अरे boobs. नहीं. So we're gonna try and teach her pickleball so that we can come and play. Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. Walk of shame to the ball. So we have been practicing for 40 minutes now. I've gotten a little bit hang of it. Notice how I'm so out of breath and you're just like, yeah. That's like,
We're gonna give it her best.
मैं ये कर सकती हूँ.
Exactly.
There is no way I'm going to make that. I will put all of my serves. They all are landing on me. I did that. That was so good. I did that. Okay, done. Can't do this anymore. Losing my voice. Now, we are at a burger place, Clap, with Sharanya, yeah. I said we. So, I'm gonna be interviewing her. Oh my god, can they shut up? What's your name?
Sharanya Deshmukh.
How old are you?
21.
Who is your favorite person in college?
बाल मेरे मुंह में गए.
Sorry. When did you first know that you liked me?
Should I tell the story?
Yeah.
So our first meet was I was in the washroom and there were two juniors, okay?
Me and Alisha.
One of the girls, I don't know. And I had like a polar bear ka pouch for my sanitary needs. And one of them commented, I don't know which one, I think it was her.
Maybe. I don't remember.
So she commented, oh my god, that's so cute. And then I started just randomly talking to these people.
Because she's so she's so
Bug.
bubbly. No, in the best way ever. Because like उससे पहले तक all senior interactions that I'd had, all the seniors are very ऐसे कि डर के रहो हमसे नहीं तो we will fuck you up type shit. But then she was so nice. And that was a very new experience because I thought all seniors were just gonna be extremely rude and I was so convinced कि सब college में चूती हैं. But She was nice to
Yeah.
me. Yeah. So that was like my one of the first positive senior experiences in college.
But that was the first minute interaction.
Yeah. That was in like the first week of college only.
I was sitting outside the canteen, I remember, and she came walking. And I could see कि मतलब something
I was
was gone
crying.
wrong. She was crying, emotional. बोल रही थी मैं रुक जाऊँ. And then she goes, can you come with me? And I was like, okay. And then I went with her and I asked her 2 questions, which was, do you want a hug or do you want me to talk to you? Like, put sense in your mind. And she goes, hug. And we were in the back of the canteen, hugging for like over
Like a minute, yeah.
1 minute, 2 minutes. And I was like, ठीक है.
And I was so कि कितना mature वो है क्योंकि everyone else was always like feeding for gossip कि मतलब क्या हो गया रो क्यों रही है जल्दी बता. Yeah, so I was going through some shit with this one guy and that's why I was crying. And so like everyone else, every other senior in college, every other person in college would have just been like कि मुझे बता क्या हुआ. And then she was like, do you want to talk about it? She wasn't even like tell me what happened. Like she was like, if you want to express your feelings or do you just want to feel comforted? And I thought that was such a nice thing to say to someone who's going through it. And then we hugged. And then we...
This is how we
haven't
became
stopped.
like a lesbian couple.
Yeah. And then when I went to the US, वहाँ पे I realized that like my parents के college time friends, they were still very close to. And they kept talking about like हमारे senior कितने अच्छे थे, हमारे junior के साथ ये interaction था. And then I realized कि I hate everyone in my batch. I hate everyone in my senior batch. हमारे juniors तो आगे थे तब तक. And then I thought कि मतलब who is like I must like someone, right? ऐसे college के बाद there is someone that you should remember as like a good book. So फिर I realized that it's her. So फिर I texted her. I texted you when I was on the US trip. कि उस time पे we had talked like twice, that bathroom वाला incident and the crying वाला incident. I texted her all that and then I was like कि if it's okay with you, like can we hang out sometime outside of college because I want to get to know you as a friend also, not just senior junior wala. And then she was like yeah of course. She was very nice about it because I was like a little embarrassed even there's a 4 paragraph about how much I love you and we've met twice.
And the thing is, as a senior, you really just can't go up to junior ki bhai.
Exactly.
चल भाई.
हाँ. And then उसके बाद we kept planning कि इस weekend चलते हैं. But then फिर इसके exams से, फिर मेरे exams से, फिर इसके prelims से, फिर मेरे prelims से, फिर इसकी UT से, फिर मेरी UT से, फिर इसकी trip थी, फिर मेरी भी trip थी. So it just never ended up working out until second year start हो गया, इसका third year start हो गया. So then we finally decided to meet on a Sunday.
And this is the exact same place we came to.
This is our first date place. I got her a sunflower and then I got her some earrings, some insert picture, some duck earrings that someone lost one day later.
Okay, so I decided कि ठीक है, अभी इसमें earrings दिए तो मैं कल पहन के जाऊँगी. तो I matched an entire blue outfit to the earrings. Went to college, sat in the first class, and I have like a habit of playing with my earlobes if I have nothing to do. And I did this, and I'm like, किधर गया? And then I did this, तो इस side का था, ऐसे का नहीं था. So there's like should I show them the group पे photo जो भेजा है मैंने? This is the photo and the text message. If anyone finds the other duckling, please contact me. So that's the story of how.
That's how we first started talking, and then on like our first time meeting, we were एकदम ही say gossiping to each other. We were very open. So there was like no awkward phase that we had basically.
It was like we were both waiting for an actual friendship with somebody.
Yeah.
And for some reason, our brains are like.
Our experiences, our like thought processes, a lot of things are very similar. And our shakal also, people keep saying.
Okay, also, I have curly hair, I have oil in them, and I have the exact same chashma. So like,
Twins.
long lost twins, mele mein.
So yeah, we have been basically inseparable ever since. And that's it.
Bye bye.